absolutely flavorful financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And welcome to the most deliciously inspiring Taco Tuesday that's about to add the perfect blend of wisdom and excitement to your entire week. I'm absolutely bubbling over the enthusiasm because today we're creating the most satisfying recipe for financial success using ingredients that are both incredibly practical and surprisingly fun. We're filling our sizzling Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge with the kind of intentional energy that builds lasting abundance, following the absolutely heartwarming journey of our adorable little pig who's becoming a master of savoring life's beautiful moments while building something amazing for the future and learning the most profound life wisdom from our incredibly wise pig mentor who's discovered that the richest life comes from knowing exactly what brings true satisfaction. You know what makes my heart absolutely sing about Taco Tuesday? It's the gorgeous reminder that the most nourishing experiences in life come from combining simple elements with creativity, patience, and genuine care. Your financial journey deserves the exact same loving approach, taking your everyday money habits, seasoning them with your unique dreams and values, and creating something that fills both your immediate joy and your long-term security. There's something so deeply satisfying about treating your money with the same thoughtful attention you'd give to preparing a feast for the people you love the most. Because honestly, building financial wellness is preparing a feast for your most important person, your future self. So today for Taco Tuesday, our variable envelopes, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $119. And the reason I say variable envelopes is because Taco Tuesday is one that we can plan for, because we know that we will be saving the dollar amount for each and every Tuesday of the month. And today is September 9th, so we will be saving $9. Okay, we got our 9 colored in, and in the back here we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 that we are going to place into our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge. And we have 500 in our high yield savings. Now 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We've got $529 saved thus far this year with Taco Tuesday. Now let's take a look and see exactly what's going on with our girlfriend Georgette. Today in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend, we are back to relax and have fun, guys. We're gonna take our page out as usual, and we are going to scratch off 2 of these. We're gonna scratch down here. We're saving $1. Then we have 1 more to scratch off. We will scratch off right up here. And we have $4. So we're gonna put the 1 back and get a 5, so that's $5. Now let's turn this over, and we're gonna save an additional $9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can put these 2 5s back and get a 10. And to save $9 today, I'll be right back after giving these colored. We have these 4, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, and this one's worth 1. So that's $9. So today in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend, we're saving $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. We're gonna get this placed back into our binder, and let's see how much we've saved total thus far this year in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. We've got 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So we will do $2 here, a 10 there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 1s, so I'm gonna grab a 10 from here, even though I know we're gonna condense, but that gives us 50. We're gonna get a $50 bill. Got 2 20s here, a 10 here. So now we have a condensed $1,262 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. Now let's take a look and see what's happening with Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. This is our second Tuesday, so we are going to scratch off 3 of these. We're gonna go up here. We have $2. And then we're gonna go right here, and we're adding $5, and we've got 1 more. And we're gonna go right here in the middle, and that's $8. So we're saving a total of $15. 15 on this side. And then we've got the back. So we will be saving 3 of these. So let's see, get 3 different types. For each one we color, we're gonna save $2, and we're gonna scratch for the cheese rounds. We're gonna roll for the cheese slices. So we're gonna roll a die, and we got a 6. So that's $6 for our first cheese slice. And then we're gonna be adventurous and roll again. And we got a 2. So that's $8 together. And let's scratch one of these off. For our cheese round, we're saving $3. So that's a total of $11 that we're saving. So we've got 10, 11 that we're saving on this side, for a total of $26 that we're saving in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. Let's see how much we've saved total thus far since we've started compiling our money for this challenge. We have $400 in surplus reserve, 20, 10, 25, 31. $31. So we'll put this 10 and a 1 here, and we'll condense this to a 20. Got our 2 5s, we'll put in this envelope here. Our 10 that we'll put in this envelope here, and we'll get our $20 bill from here. Now we have a condensed $431 in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And that's another absolutely delectable Taco Tuesday cash stuffing celebration that's left us feeling completely nourished in both our hearts and our savings accounts. Just like the most memorable meals are the ones where every ingredient brings its own special magic to create something greater than the sum of its parts. You're combining all of your wisest financial habits to create a money story that's both sustainable and deeply fulfilling. Our wonderful pig friends continue to teach us that true richness isn't about having the fanciest ingredients. It's about appreciating the simple abundance that already in your life, while thoughtfully preparing for even more beautiful experiences ahead. Thank you for joining me for today's flavorful financial adventure, my incredible financial fashionistas. Remember, your relationship with money should feel exactly like your most treasured family recipe, made with love, improved with patience, and always seasoned with gratitude, intention, and the biggest, most beautiful dreams your heart can hold. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co., reminding you that you're becoming the most skilled chef in your own financial kitchen. Creating a recipe of abundance that's perfectly seasoned with your unique blend of wisdom, joy, and unstoppable determination. Keep cooking up that financial magic, and I'll see you next time for more savings inspiration that nourishes every aspect of your amazing life.